All right, number 5. See how far y'all can get on. 2 over x squared minus 36. Grades weren't bad this morning on the test. Most everybody who's been here, and you guys do a good job of coming to school. My first block is terrible. Terrible. Worst I've ever had in 25 years. All right, so Andrew, which one of these on the bottom can I factor something out of?
X squared minus 36.
Good. How's that going to factor? What's the square root of 36?
Square root of 36.
You can just look on the board and be faster.
6.
So I got an x plus 6 and an x minus 6. Everybody good? All right, so now what's our common denominator going to be? Yep. X plus 6 and x minus 6.
Can you factor this one?
I can't remember. I'm going to give y'all a second to see how far y'all can get on this one by yourself. That makes me on number 6. All right, everything here cancels. I bring down a 2. All right, what cancels on the second fraction? What do I bring down on the second fraction? Negative 4 times x. Negative times a negative is a positive 24. I'll bet somebody had negative 24 right there. Now over here's where I'm concerned about y'all messing up on the test. Nothing cancels out, right? So you first distribute the first 2. You bring the third one down, and now y'all got to FOIL that out. So FOIL it out, see what you get. Bring it down, and then you are going to have to factor because it's got an x squared, but I don't think it will factor, so you have to do quadratic formula. That cancels 2x squared minus 72. All right, would you guys check mine, make sure I'm right, Ben? So far?
All right. Coach, do you have to do it that way, or can you fold the top?
You could FOIL these out first, and you're going to get that, and then just times them both by 2. You could do that, Scott. It was actually faster. All right, so I got 2x squared. I bring that over. It's plus 4x. 2 plus 24 is 26. Move it over, I get a minus 26. So I got 98. All right, everybody good?
Give me just a second. Yes, please.
Okay, just a second.
I made a mistake, but I forgot what it is.
I thought I was going to remember that. So from here, Andrew, I need to show you something. Before you try to do quadratic formula, if you can divide them all by 2, it's going to help you. Now, you don't have to divide them by 2. You're going to get the same answer if you don't. But if y'all will divide them, I got this. X squared plus 2x minus 49. I might have missed this one this morning. I think I put 41 there for some reason. I don't know why I did that. All right, so it's going to be negative 2 plus or minus 4 minus 4 times 1 times negative 49. I'll stop here and see if y'all can finish it up. I can't remember what I got either. Yeah, well, first of all, they got to be on opposite sides, Andrew. One's got to be on the left, one's got to be on the right. This one's good. So I'm going to square the left, and I'm going to square the right. All right, now on the right side, the square cancels out the square root. You just bring down x plus 4. That's easy. All right, Andrew, why won't the left do that?
You got the negative 3.
Because the negative 3 is messing everything up. So we've got to do FOIL method. I've got to write it twice, first of all. Let me do that. All right, now I'm going to stop, and I'm going to see who can get this one right from here. So y'all take some time now, see how far you can get. All right, Ellis, what happens when I multiply these 2 square roots together since they're exactly the same? Yeah, it cancels out, and you just bring down x plus 31. So we should say the square root symbol cancels out. All right, Ellis, what happens when I times these 2 right here?
Negative 3x.
Yeah, just put a negative 3 in front of this. All right, you're going to get the same thing there. Put a negative 3 in front of it. Plus 9. Good. All right, I'm going to stop again. You guys add up like terms on the left now and see what you get. Negative 3 and negative 3 is negative 6. All right. Andrew, what's going to happen with this x and this x if I try to get them on the same side with each other?
They'll cancel out.
They're going to cancel out. Good. So I'm going to move positive 40 over here, make it negative 40. Let's see what that gives me. All right, did I mess up? How'd I get 40? I added 31 plus 9 together, so they're like terms. I got 40. All right, see if y'all can finish from here. The answer I'm seeing on everybody's paper is 5. Apparently this is yesterday's work. All right, Andrew, what's my next step from up here?
You gotta square it.
We got to divide by 6 because you got to get the square root symbol by itself before I can square both sides. So that's going to give me x plus 31 equals 6. All right, Andrew, what comes after that?
Then you would square.
Now I square both sides. So I got x plus 31 equals 36. What's the last step?
Just you work it out.
Move over plus 31, make it minus 31, you get 5. Okay. All right, so I've got an answer sheet up front. I'm going to walk around and check everybody's work on the other 4 problems we didn't do. So y'all just leave them out.